Hi everyone and welcome back to Handicraft. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this adorable crochet basket. Perfect for organizing, gifting or decorating your home. It's beginner friendly. So grab your hook and yarn. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need for this project. Yarn of your choice. Heavier yarn works great for sturdier baskets. Crochet hook to match your yarn. Scissor. Yarn needle for weaving in ends. Embellishments like flowers, buttons or ribbons for decoration. Step 1. Make a magic ring. Start with the magic ring. This creates the foundation for your basket. Row 1. Chain 1. This counts as your first single crochet. Then make 10 single crochets into the magic ring. Once done, pull the ring tight and slip stitch into the first chain to join. Second row, chain 1 counts as your first single crochet. Make 2 single crochets in each stitch around. Once done, slip stitch to the first chain to join. Third row, chain 1 counts as your first single crochet. 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Again 2 single crochets in the next stitch. One single crochet in the next stitch. Continue this pattern around and slip stitch to join. Fourth row. This is the final row of the base. Chain 1 counts as your first single crochet. Then repeat this pattern. 2 single crochets in the next stitch. 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches. And just like that, the bottom of your basket is complete. This is the 5th row, building height. Now let's start building the sides. Chain 1 counts as your first single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Once done, slip stitch to the first chain to join. Keep repeating row 5, fifth row, this fifth row for as many rows as you would like, depending on how tall you want your basket to be. I'll add few rows here to show you. When your basket is the height you like, fasten off your yarn. Use your yarn needle to weave in any loose ends neatly. Here are some optional tips for customize your basket. For a sturdier basket, use heavier yarn and a larger hook. You can adjust the size by increasing or decreasing stitches in row 1 and a handle by crocheting a chain or a row of single crochets. Decorate with flowers, buttons or ribbons to make extra special. And there you have it, your handmade crochet basket. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give it a thumb up and subscribe for more crochet projects. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use your basket. Thanks for watching and happy crocheting. See you in the next video.